Out of my 100 years of research, this is the one main thing that I've learned. And that thing is diversification. When you have money, you need to understand that putting it across different investments can really, really help boost your income. And here's why. For stocks, if your stock goes down, then most people who just invest in stocks, they've lost money. However, if you diversify it and put some into stocks and some into real estate, yes, the stock might go down, but you've still got a chance to make money in real estate or from a business that you've invested in or something like that. So when something goes down, it's easier to go up. Now, so I know that when you do invest in more things, there can be a high risk, so be kind of aware of it. So like, for example, if you take the stock market, rather than just invest in the stocks, you can invest in bonds. So obviously, if you're old, you might want to have less risk, so you might invest in bonds, because bonds are basically just a bunch of popular, like shares of a company. So that's going to be less risky. But if you want to get wealth quick, then it's a good idea to go into stocks, because there's higher risk but more reward. And you could do that just not across stocks, but you could do that across loads of different investments. So out of everything that I've ever learned is that diversifying your money is a quick way to becoming rich. Yes, it's risky, but it is very, very worth it. And when I am 18, I'll start doing that. And I highly recommend it for everyone, but just be aware of the risk and just manage it yourself. So I hope that advice helps, and hopefully that can start boosting your wealth. If that helps, please subscribe.